I'm Andrew Goddard, and this is the weekly Volatility Roundup from CMC Markets Connect. Earnings news remained very much in focus at the stock-specific level last week, with some significant price action being seen amongst select blue chips. One example here was Vodafone, where a cutting assessment by the new CEO over corporate performance saw the underlying sell-off by as much as 10%, with news of 11,000 redundancies failing to provide any support either. One-week vol stood at 60.94% against 36.91% for 3 months. Keeping with single stocks and news of a planned share buyback from Sony helped add more upside to the company's performance, which was already being bolstered by a strong Japanese equity market after the Nikkei pushed out to 30-year highs. The underlying stock added as much as 8% in early trade on Thursday, with one-week volatility coming in at 59.96% against 33.29% for 3 months. Agricultural commodities have been trending lower of late, largely off the back of news that the Black Sea export deal in place to support grain exports from Ukraine had been extended by 2 months. Positive expectations regarding harvest this summer are also helping exert downside pressure on these markets. Wheat sold off by around 10%, with one-week volatility of 40.98% being recorded against a 3-month print of 35.43%. Whilst it was a similar story for corn, with the underlying off by 8% and weekly volatility printed 32.41% against 23.9% for 3 months. CMC's proprietary basket of US-listed Chinese tech stocks was in focus after Alibaba, the biggest constituent in the basket by some margin, saw its shares come under pressure. Quarterly revenues missed expectations, and news that the company planned to exit its cloud storage business did little to lend support either. Opinions appear divided as to just how much further this sector can go, as China's economy continues to regain traction. But with the regulatory environment for internet companies seen as generally easing, this sector is likely to remain in focus for a while longer yet. One-week vol on the China tech basket sat at 51% against 45.31% for 3 months.